Hey there, fellow students. If you're planning to study in the USA from India and need to transfer money without getting hit by those annoying fees, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into the best ways to send money from India to the USA in 2025, completely charge-free. Let's get started. First off, why is this important? As a student, every rupee counts, especially with rising costs for tuition, housing, and daily expenses. The good news is that with the right tools and strategies, you can avoid fees altogether. One of the top options is using apps like Wise or Revolut. These platforms often waive fees for first-time transfers or for amounts under a certain limit, making them perfect for students. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Download the app and create an account. You'll need to verify your identity with your Aadhaar card or passport. It's quick and secure. Step 2. Link your Indian bank account. Most apps support major banks like SBI or HDFC, so adding your details is straightforward. Step 3. Select the USA as your destination and enter the amount. Look for promotions in 2025 that offer zero fees for student transfers. Many providers are catering to this demographic. Another great method is through services like Google Pay or PhonePe, which sometimes partner with international banks for fee-free transfers. Always check for exchange rates too, as they can affect your final amount. Remember, timing is key. Transfer during off-peak hours to avoid any hidden costs. But wait, is it really free? In 2025, regulations might make more options available, but double-check the terms and conditions. If you're using a student bank account from a CC or Axis Bank, they often have tie-ups with US banks like Chase, allowing seamless, fee-free transfers. In conclusion, by using apps like Wise, leveraging bank partnerships, and staying updated on 2025 policies, you can transfer money without charges. This will help you focus on your studies rather than financial stress. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.